Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your platform and getting into System Settings. This speeds everything up. On Windows, use Settings, on Mac OS, open System Preferences, and on Chrome OS, open Settings. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator or have the admin password ready, because permission prompts will appear. Once in Settings, go directly to Accessibility or Keyboard Input sections. Do not search third-party apps yet. This ensures you reach the built-in voice typing controls and avoid changing unrelated settings. Now you'll find the specific controls that enable voice typing. Navigate to Speech, Dictation, Accessibility, or Keyboard Input. Different OSes label it differently. Once located, toggle off system-level voice typing or dictation and then disable any shortcut keys that trigger it so it won't reappear unexpectedly. For Windows, check Privacy Microphone and Background apps. For Mac OS, uncheck dictation and remove shortcuts. For Chrome OS, turn off live captions/dictation. Make sure to stop related background services so no hidden listener stays active. Finish by restarting your laptop to ensure changes take effect across apps and services. Once done, test in a text field so you confirm voice input is off. If voice typing still activates, check Startup Programs, browser extensions, and third-party dictation apps. Disable or uninstall them. Make sure microphone permissions are revoked for apps you don't trust. If problems continue, update your OS or run a permissions reset. That usually clears stuck services. One troubleshooting tip: Safe Mode helps identify whether a third-party app re-enables voice typing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.